What's going on, guys? Just wanted to post this quick video of the newest edition. Picked up a 2019 Honda CRF230F the other day. Got it for $4,400, brand new, absolutely 0 hours. It was right off the showroom. Making the transition from street bikes to dirt bikes now. So I sold my 07 CBR 1000 and decided that I was going to pick up a trail bike. Being a new dirt bike rider, I didn't want to get a motocross bike and be in for too much that I wouldn't be able to handle the bike. So this is a 4-stroke, so it doesn't have too much power. It should be just good for going through trails. I haven't had time to take it around any trails yet. I've only had it for about a week now, but I'm hoping this weekend I can take it out, and I might mount a GoPro somewhere just to post it on YouTube. So just a simple walkthrough of the bike. It is an electric start, so the CRF models didn't come with a kickstart on the newest, so pretty basic. You got your electric start, kill switch, keyhole, and that's pretty much it over there. So a few things that I'm planning on doing, but I want to break the bike in first before I do anything. I'm gonna rejet the carburetor. Still trying to figure out which numbers to go with. I bought an hour meter that I need to put on the wrap around the spark plug. I'm just trying to figure out where I want to mount it. I've gotten a few ideas. Exhaust, I'm either gonna buy an aftermarket exhaust, or I'm just gonna use the current exhaust and just do that. I don't know what it's called, but just remove this. It's pretty simple. You just got to remove the bolts and remove the inner tube. It should make the bike a lot louder from what I read on a few forums. Other than that, again, planning on keeping the bike stock besides doing that stuff. I don't really think there's anything else I need to do, since I'm not going to really be tracking it, but more just trail riding. But we'll see how it goes over time. But so far, I've only ridden it up and down the street, and it's been an amazing bike. It's nowhere near compared to a street, like a super sport bike, but I think it's great making the transition over to dirt. So hopefully the transition is smooth for me, and I'll post updates of any I'll try to post any videos of anything I do related to the dirt bike. So I'll start it up too, even though the audio might not translate over correctly. So the bike's been sitting since I brought it home. There, oh. All right, so let me just do a cold start, just so you guys can hear it. And it is relatively really quiet, but I've talked to a few dirt bike owners, and they've mentioned that aftermarket exhaust can make this bike really loud. So let me just show you guys. All right, so that's it. Just